welcome to your tutorial on how to work with a page. Now, once you log into your WordPress blog, you will be right at your dashboard. Look over to your left hand side and you will see the different icons here, and you want to go to page. And if you already have an existing page, you will go to edit, or if you want to add a new, you will click here. So we're going to go ahead and add new. Once you come up here, now you have a little space right here, and we are going to put test page, okay? And once you go into test page, you will come right down here in this area. This is where you're going to add all of your content, all your text. Now I went ahead and I opened up a tab already, and I'm going to grab some of this text here. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to insert that here. Now, once I insert the content here, I have different options of what I want to bold, italicize, or strike through. So for example, if I want to bold this word, highlight that, and then you want to click on to bold, okay? Or if I want to make this word here in italics, I go ahead and I click onto the I, and if I want it to strike through, I click onto this little area here where it says strike through. And if you put your cursor right over the little icons, you'll see what it is. You'll see what that is actually for. Now if I come right over here, let's just say I'm going to go here and I want to add in numbers. So it'll number it for me. So for example, if I put my cursor right at the end of that paragraph there, and then I tab over, it will add the 2 and so forth. It'll count it all the way down. Now if I decide I want this section here to be centered, you come right over here, it says you align center, so it'll center align it. Or if you want to keep it as is and you want to left align it, it'll go back to where it was. Or if you want to move it over to the right, it'll align it to the right. So you have options of how you want that particular content to appear on your blog. And again, you can make it different. You can make the fonts different, heading 1, heading 2. So all you would need to do is highlight, go right over where it says heading 1, and it'll change it. So it'll make it really big, or you can go right back and make it back into your regular paragraph size. So you have a lot of options of how you want your post to appear. And let's say, for example, you are working off of a Word document. Okay, say you're creating your content on a Word document and you're going to copy that information over to your post. Do not copy it directly from your document over to your blog. You see this icon here, it says paste from Word. You want to click on that, it'll give you a box, paste from Word. So you want to copy your content off of your Word document, put it here. Make sure you do that, because if you don't, what's going to happen is if you copy directly from your Word document to your blog, you will see little squiggly odd characters in your content. So you want to make sure you don't do that. So you want to click on the little icon that says paste from Word, add your content here, then you click insert. Now let's say, for example, you're working off of a notepad or a text edit pad. You would do exactly the same thing. You would go to the icon that says paste as plain text. You will copy that off of your notepad or text pad, depending if you're on a PC or a Mac, and you want to paste that information here, and you hit on to you click on to insert. Now let's say that you want to add in a video. Now you want to put your cursor where your video is at. And you have various options here: YouTube, Google, Vimeo. So you have different options here. So what I'm going to go is I'm going to go into YouTube, and I went ahead and I opened already YouTube video. You want to go over to URL. You're going to copy that URL there, and you're going to insert that right in here, okay? And you're going to click OK. Now that's how you want to add a video into your post. And let's say you want to add in a image, okay? You will see these little boxes up here. It says add an image. Okay, you want to click on that, and it'll say add media files from your computer. So once you click browse, you will see a video. You will see your computer come up, and I'm going to hit on scale, and you will click on to upload. Now once it adds the image, you will see this button right here where it says insert post. You have the option, you can align it differently, and I'll show you that once it's in the post. Now here is your picture, it's in the middle. Once you click on it, you can edit your image. For example, you can scale it smaller, you can scale it bigger, you can align it to the left, you can align it to the right, or you can center align it. So you have various options for that. And that is inserting an image. Now let's say, for example, you want to add in a link, okay? What you want to do is you want to highlight the word, okay, where you want to add the link. You're going to come right here and it'll say insert edit link. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to add in the URL. So I'm going to go ahead and put yahoo.com, okay? And then you can set your target, whether you want to open the link in the same window or if you want to open the link in a new window. So it is your option what you decide to do, and then you're going to click on to insert, and then you'll notice that it is highlighted. Okay, so that is how you know if the link is active and if you inserted it correctly. Now, once you take a look over to the right side of the page, you'll see right now this is a draft, so you can save it as a draft, or you can edit that, and then you can change it as pending review if you want someone to take a look at it before you actually publish it. You also have the option to add a password protected, make it private, so it's entirely up to you how you want to set that up. And you can also publish it, so you could publish it immediately, or you could set a day and time for it to publish. Okay. Another area where you want to pay attention to is right in this area that says template. Now, depending on the theme that you have, the theme comes with a variety of templates. So it just depends on what type of theme that you received with your blog. What you want to do is you're going to click onto this drop down, and you will see the different templates that comes with your theme. And you can go ahead and choose which theme you're going to go with, which template you're going to go with. Okay, so that is another important little spot here. And another thing that you want to really take a look at is you can preview. Okay, you can take a quick look at what your page looks like. Okay, so there is our content. There's our cool little video from GeForce. There is the link that we inserted. That one goes to Yahoo. So I'll make sure that we did that correctly. Okay, and then I'm just going to arrow back, and then our picture and our video. Okay, so that's how you want to preview that page, just to make sure it looks, it looks the way that you want it to come out. So that concludes our video on our video tutorial on how to work with a page, and I'm hoping this helped you, and thank you so much for watching.